Oh, yeah. Hey, everybody. Welcome to Dumb Investing. I'm Lloyd.
I'm Harry.
And it's about to get dumb in here, up in here. Oh, my gosh. Forgot my line. That's horrible.
You should write that down.
You know what's funny is it's written down right over here.
You should send that over to me.
Here.
Hey, everybody. Welcome to Dumb Investing. I'm Lloyd. That's Harry. It's time to get dumb up in here.
There you go. You're awesome at it. I just need to remember my line, so I got it right over there. I was like, no, I'm not going to read off the stupid.
Except I'm Lloyd and you're Harry now.
Yeah.
Oh, man.
It's all good. All right. So, Dumb Investing. To all 6 of our viewers, welcome. How you guys doing? If you're new, you've stumbled upon the dumbest investing channel in all of YouTube's. But we're here to prove a point. And in 10 years, man, is it going to be awesome. So what we're doing is we're going to prove that two 9-to-5 fellas who trade stocks at night after work can beat Wall Street at their own game. And we're doing it in a really fun way. We roll some random dice. We use a random stock picker, and we pick 3 stocks a night to review. We then do a real quick deep dive into these companies. We try to learn all that we can.
Let's call it a shallow dive.
A shallow dive. Yeah. Okay. We hit our head on the bottom of the pool.
Now we're getting dumb.
And of those 3 stocks, we go and buy one the next day. And this is some of our retirement money that we've thrown into this channel. And what we want to prove is in 10 years that the return we get by randomly picking stuff and using a little bit of smarts is better than what the street's getting. And so that's who we are. That's what we do. Hopefully we laugh a little bit from time to time. Hopefully we share a little bit of, investing so that we make it a little bit easier so that everybody can go do it, because we really think, if you put your money in a savings account, you're getting nothing. So follow that link down below for WeBull. Put $100 in there. You're going to get 1 stock at least. One of our viewers got 2. I don't know how that works. You're going to get at least a stock. Start trading today. Let your money build. Use the compounding that happens over time, and you're going to be in a much better place in 10 years.
Yeah, and we want to make it simple, right? So we want to, start with all of the early investors and shed some light on some of the stuff that we've learned over time, and just encourage everyone to just get started.
And there are no dumb questions. Use the comments below. Ask anything you want. Ask one of those things where you're like, man, I have no idea what these guys are even talking about when they say dividends. What is it? We would love to go into depth. We just don't know what to go into depth on unless you guys let us know what you really got questions about. We really want to help. We want to be here we want to have fun doing this. And to us, this was a fun way to get together after work, relieve some stress, drink some beer, spend some money. What the heck? And so let us know down below. And we're going to go on a good path. And, 10 years, we're all going to look back and laugh and say, man, we're so glad we started 10 years ago, because look at the money we have today. We're not one of those channels that started with Dad's $1 million and says, hey, look at our $1 million portfolio. We're so smart. We're going to earn it. We're going down.
Is that what Trump did?
I'm not saying anybody did anything. I'm just saying there's a lot of people who have a lot of money who didn't really earn their money. But
I'm just asking questions. I'm just some dummy on YouTube.
Absolutely. All right. So should we go grab some stocks?
Let's do it.
All right. So this is our random dice roller. So we roll our dice, and that dice says 6. We go out to our random stock picker. We click this thing the number of times the dice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the dice said 6. CSWI is the first stock we're going to look at tonight. All right, we're going to go back to our dice. And we do this because we don't want people to think, oh, a 6 again. That we're paid to shuck anybody's stock or any bullshit like that. We're just 2 guys wanting to have fun.
And trust me, I'd love to get paid to pick stocks.
3, 4, 5, 6.
It's a lot more fun just randomly doing it.
And hopefully this proves a good point that you don't have to have an MBA and all this other stuff to get started and start making some money. Oh, we just missed my bank. Did you see that?
Oh yeah, no.
Yeah.
I saw Voozy again though. I'm pretty sure we've rolled through that once or twice before.
TU. You know, we have all that down below. We've got a link to our spreadsheet. We're full transparency here. Every night, whatever we do, we're recording it. We're talking about it. It's all on our spreadsheet. You guys can see the 3 that we picked. I bold the one that we picked for the day, so you can see if it was the first, the second, or the third, and where we bought it at, how many shares we bought, what our total investment was. And at some point, our channel's going to have to start selling stock. So we're going to also show with you, hey, here's when we sold it. You'll see if it was a profit or a loss, and you guys can follow along and have some fun. So
that's going to be a lot of fun when we get to
it. It is going to be a lot of fun. And it's coming up sooner than you think because we're going to run out of money soon. We've just been spending a lot. It's been awesome. Okay, so at this point in the show, this is where we start doing our shallow dive into a deep dive into the shallow pool, or I don't know what we do. But anyways, Harry is awesome. So Harry jumps onto WeBull, and he starts doing some homework on WeBull. WeBull is our trading platform that we use. I jump onto Yahoo so that we get kind of a different view of things. And we do a little bit of quick homework and find out who these companies are. Sometimes we're completely baffled. We don't know who we're looking at or how they work or where their revenue streams are. And so we try to make the least dumbest move of the night. So our first company we're looking at here is DFHTU, which is Deerfield Healthcare Technology Acquisitions Corporation.
Wow, did they ever take a hit today?
Oh, wow. Buy the dip. This might be good for us. This is
okay. So I will read out what I know or what WeBull knows about this company. So Deerfield Healthcare Technology Acquisitions Corp is a blank check company.
Yeah, buddy.
So the company is formed for the purpose to effect a merger, capital stock exchange, asset acquisition, stock purchase, reorganization, or similar business combined with one or more businesses. I do believe blank check equals SPAC.
Yes.
And SPACs have been, do you know, maybe we could Google it real quick. What does SPAC stand for?
That I do not know. But I would love to. I can go get on the Googler here.
Yeah, I know it has something to do with...
It's C, right? SPAC?
Yeah.
Yeah. I've never looked into it deep enough. What is a SPAC and why are they so popular? Because it's a shortcut is why.
So it says right there, Special Purpose Acquisition Company. So a SPAC essentially, they raise a whole bunch of money.
Yeah.
They find some companies to invest in, they merge, and then they essentially get them listed on the exchange. So it's kind of like getting into the stock markets without the official initial public offering or direct public offering. So SPACs are kind of taking them to the market before they have the opportunity or don't have the wherewithal to be able to go do an IPO or DPO themselves. But the SPACs have been spanked lately.
It's kind of awesome. You're basically handing your money to anybody. Saying, here, I trust you. Go do something cool with it.
Yeah.
Hey, Bernie, here's some money.
Yeah. Doesn't sound like that's going to be a problem anymore.
Yeah, we're not going to talk about that. Okay, so I don't know if I don't know.
Let's move on.
Look at the volatility, though. I mean, it's bouncing all over the place.
This scares the crap out of me.
Why? Just handing your money to somebody? Why would that scare you? What are you talking about?
That is essentially what we're doing with dumb investing.
Oh yeah, it is.
But you're right. Like, the volatility is crazy.
Okay, so our picker picked MBAC. And is it going to be this MBAC-UN? We'll go with that. Why not? And let's see, that's M3 Brigade Acquisition. Is this another SPAC?
Yep. Another blank check company. Yep.
Holy cow.
Exactly. M3 Brigade Acquisition 2 Corp is a blank check company. So I'm not going to read out exactly the same thing as before. So
No, this one's not nearly as volatile. Yeah, let's see what
dude.
our last one is. All right. CSWI. Oh, this one is at least a real company.
Yes, they are. So CSW Industrials is a
Oh, they're
diversified.
expensive.
Yeah, diversified.
Well, expensive for dumb investing.
Yeah, diversified industrial growth company. The company's portfolio of products provides performance optimizing solutions to its customers. It provides its products include mechanical products for heating, ventilation, air conditioning, refrigeration, HVAC, sealants, and high performance specialty products. So, sounds like a lot of the products that are, let's see, like a tier one or a level one in the home building side or resident
Possibly.
or everything, I guess, right?
But they have been on a tear, dude. Just
Well, of course, you seen housing?
absolute tear. I know.
So housing came out today at what, 1.7374 million housing starts?
I don't know.
That's
Oh.
what I'm going to say. And that is substantially above February's numbers. So that's good to see. Hopefully housing can catch up with demand here in the near future. But for the short term, for the next, let's say 6 months, these companies like CSW Industrials that are providing products to homes or industries or chemicals, I think they're going to be in high demand. And because it's the only one of the three that's not a blank check company.
Yeah, because it's a real company, actually.
I'm kind of 10 dumbs on this one.
I think we would have to, on the SPACs, we would really have to find out who that manager is and what their background is, because you're basically handing that person your money, hoping they're going to go make some good decisions, right?
Yeah.
All right, I am cool. I say give it 10 dumb thumbs.
10 dumb diddy dums.
We don't have anything like that. We don't have a rating system yet, do we?
No.
Well, one day.
We have not decided whether 1 dumb is good or 10 dumbs is good.
Yeah. All right. So that is how dumb investing picks a stock, folks.
Isn't that dumb?
Is that something? Yeah. So at this point, now we get into taking a look at our portfolio. This is the full transparency part of the show. We want everybody to see what we're doing. And, this way, hopefully some people can learn something about investing. Hopefully this gets money out of savings and money into the market and people in a better place in 10 years than they would be if they didn't.
So look at the market today. Everything was green, at least up here for all the indices. How did you feel about the market today, Lloyd?
I was so busy in my 9 to 5 because I am actually not going to be participating in dumb investing for a couple of days. I have some stuff I have to do.
Excuse me, what?
Yeah, you're going to have to run this thing solo, buddy.
How am I going to do that?
I don't know. We'll figure it out. Because
you mean I'll figure it out?
Yeah. So anyways, I was so busy, dude. I didn't get to see any market, anything. All right. My fingers are crossed that, in our personal lives, did you take on some Coinbase when it showed up? I took on some Coinbase. So my fingers are crossed that it's coming up to at least where it opened a couple of days ago. But I haven't looked yet.
Unfortunately, Coinbase has not come on the random ticker picker. So we don't get to check if
dumb investing could afford Coinbase right now. We'd have to find 3 other fellows to split it with. I don't know if WeBull lets us do fractional. That's something we'll have to learn, because if we do what if we pick a Hathaway company or something, right?
Right.
All right.
Yeah. So the market, the indices were all looking pretty good. A lot of the tech stocks
they're all green
down.
Yeah. Okay.
Tech stocks were down. Apple was down a little bit. Energy was down. Software and IT, that's so tech down. Semiconductors down. Banking.
Huh.
Banking was good.
Well, yeah, because they're all reporting record earnings. Their trading desks have gone crazy. We're not going to go into why free money, but all right. Hey, there's more green than red. That's at least that's a good sign.
Sure. Yeah. I mean, that's great. Unfortunately, the red percentages substantially outweigh the green percentages.
Stupid Socket Mobile again. Oh,
Yeah.
did we get hosed on that thing?
Did we ever?
Yeah.
For now.
Fingers are crossed that those guys do something good with all those shares they decided to sell and completely flush the market for dumb investor.
Yeah. So Socket Mobile down. Centrus Energy was down again today. So we are a little behind our position there. MGM Resorts and Lazy Boy were up today. So those are two really good companies. I'm looking forward to seeing how those companies do. Those are going to be long holds for us, I think.
All right. So yesterday we bought NIFE. How did we do on our buys?
Catch the falling knife.
Yeah.
So fallen. Yeah. Don't do that. That is dumb investing advice. So today we bought 75.60. We cashed in at 75.60 today, or bought at 75.60 today. And we went up to 76.13. So well done.
All right.
So that's good news.
That is good news.
So I heard a rumor that we needed to talk a little bit about BurgerFi.
Oh, yeah. Okay. So BurgerFi happens.
Let me flip back over here.
So BurgerFi is one of Dumb Investing's holdings, and I had taken some colleagues at work to a BurgerFi and asked them a million questions about it, and they all wanted to know why I was asking so many questions.
Yeah, they didn't.
They had no clue Dumb Investing was doing recon work, right? So, yeah. So now the cat's out of the bag with those people. So one of them came in today, and during lunch came in and said, "Hey, I told my daughter about our trip to BurgerFi and your channel and blah, blah, blah. And her husband said, oh, that place is awesome. That's where me and the guys always go. We love the joint." So that's a millennial group that really likes BurgerFi. So maybe there's hope for this stock. Yeah. They said they loved it. And it happened to be
serve alcohol there?
They do.
All right. Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
So I may have to do some recon, maybe in a couple of weeks if I have a date night with the missus. We might go there for a date night, see what the evening crowd is like, and just because the damn food is good.
Well, maybe it's a nighttime thing.
It might be. They might not have, although the food was good. I mean, the food was good.
Well, maybe lunchtime they're just waking up and getting started. The fryers, they turn on the fryers at 11:59.
Yeah, maybe. I don't know.
Huh. Well, that's cool. That's exciting. That's good to hear.
So that was good to hear.
So everyone watching this channel, now that we have re-solidified our position in BurgerFi, we need to get the stock to go back up. So could you just go visit a BurgerFi?
Yeah. Tell them Dumb Investing sent you.
Yeah. You will get nothing out of it. There's
Absolutely.
No discount.
They're going to look at you like you're talking a foreign language. They're like, ooh, what? Shut up. Here's your food. Go sit down, you weirdo. Charge you extra.
That's awesome. All right. Let me flip back into our wallet here for a second before we what am I doing? There I am. All right.
Oh, yeah.
So we continue to
Fif-
sail the Red Seas.
$58 down.
We are down
So
$58. Yeah.
2%. I can't see it on my screen.
Yeah, a little more. Two
Yeah.
and
I
three
try
quarter
I try
percent
to do
today.
the math. That's hard math after a full day of work.
Oh yeah, totally.
But we are playing a long game. We're not day traders. We're not doing any of that stuff. We're not looking for a quick buck overnight. We are looking for a long-term strategy that we're going to carry these things long. We're going to start making some decisions. If we're up big, are we going to sell them and try to get, two others that can then go up big? Was that mine or yours?
That's mine. I can't hear it with my headphones in, but
That's awesome.
my watch keeps going off, so there's people at my door. I don't know what they're doing, but I can see pictures of them.
That's awesome.
There's just
Is
some
it
kids
the
at my
Girl
door.
Scouts? Are they selling cookies?
I hope so. I could use some
doubt.
cookies.
For sure.
As long as it's not the mint ones, though. Ooh.
Oh, no?
No, I don't do the mint ones.
Oh, that's their number
Do you guys
one
have the mint
seller.
ones down there, or do you got the original?
Oh no, we have the mint ones.
Do you have the cream filled ones like the Oreo style?
I don't recall an Oreo style.
Like this is stupid for dumb investing.
It is. Thanks for joining us, folks.
Well,
all right.
Lloyd, I don't know what I'm going to do without you next week. I will try to carry the show on. If we go bankrupt, it was a whole bunch of fun. We'll start it as another YouTube channel.
And it'll be penny stocks. How to make it on penny stocks.
Pick Doge. Go Doge.
Oh, goodness. Well, this is the end of another week. This was a whole lot of fun. Like we try to say down below, there's the WeBull link. Click that link, put in $100. You're going to get at least one stock, possibly two. I don't know how that works. You might get two. You're an instant investor at that point. Start making your money work for you. It's going to be awesome. Leave us a comment if you have questions. There are no dumb questions. We are going to take your question. We're going to try to do some homework if we don't know off the top of our heads. We're going to have a lot of fun answering it. And it's going to be great fun. Hopefully this is something that we build a pretty fun community here and learn a lot of stuff. And in 10 years, we all sit back and say, man, that was the funnest thing we did. So with that, smash the like button.
If you guys feel like it's a dumb question, I guarantee you there's at least another million people that are thinking the same thing. Somebody just ask it. You will get more out of us. We will probably talk for 25 minutes about your question because we got nothing else to do. And we will explain as much as we possibly can about it. So it's certainly worth your value or your time. And I think it would be a lot of fun for us. So yes, as Lloyd said.
When we started, there were no resources like this. So man, let's use it. Let's build us a less dumber community. Less dumb.
Maybe one day we can change the channel name to Smart Investing, but maybe that's 10 years down the road.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
It'll still be the dumbest investing channel, but at least we'll be
100%.
Leading the curve and laughing at some of the Wall Street guys.
Yeah, maybe we'll make it smarter. We'll figure it out. Hit the like, hit the subscribe, hit the bells, hit all the buttons on YouTube, smash it all up, break the screens, do whatever it is that you need to do. Yeah. But most of all, have a great one on whatever it is that you're doing. And
appreciate it, man.
I promise that I will be here a week from now. Well, you'll be back the week after, I think. Somewhere in that realm, anyways.
You will probably see me Thursday night.
Ooh.
I think I'll be available Thursday night.
You're gonna make a special appearance? Can you be my guest?
I might. I have no idea right now. We will see where the wind pushes us.
Well, Dumb Investing now has a Twitter channel or Twitter handle as well.
Yeah, I'm old. I don't know what Twitter is, so
Follow us on Twitter. You'll get the links to our videos.
That's awesome, dude.
I put them up there. It's Dumb Investing HL at Twitter, Dumb Investing HL.
Cool.
And we'll work on getting some of the other stuff too. Dumb Investing.
Whatever.
HL's Harry and Lloyd.
Oh,
we need to
cool.
sign off before you get way too crazy.
All right. Don't trade like him.
Don't trade like him either.
Oh, you guys have a great night.
Good night.